Okay, today we're solving systems of equations. Yay! Remember what a system is? It's several lines or curves, and you're finding the place where the lines cross. So the answer to the question is always an ordered pair, the place where the lines cross. They can be positive, they can be negative, they can be fractions, they can be decimals, right? The place where the lines cross. You have to have x comma y. You have to find the coordinate. So the answer is the coordinate. Coordinate, right? X, Y. Whatever the place is where they cross. So that means, obviously, if it doesn't cross, doop, boop, if they're parallel lines, then there's no solution. So no solution. Solution. No solution if they don't cross, because the only time we have an answer is if the lines cross. Now, we can have parabolas with lines crossing or circles with lines crossing. We'll get to that later this week. But right now, we're just finding the place where two lines cross. So make sure that you write the whole coordinate. Don't just solve and get x equals and yay, I'm done, x equals. No, you have to find x and y. Right? The answer is always the coordinate where they cross. So let's look at something like this. Yeah. So which one do we want to do? Doesn't matter really. What are we doing? We're going to be doing substitution. So we can do the first one here. That's pretty standard. All right. You've got two equations. You're trying to find the place where they cross, and the method that we are using is called substitution. And just like it says, you're going to plug something in, right? I'm going to find something and then I'm going to plug it. Substitution, right? So let's find something, see what we got. Now, we can get x by itself, we can get y by itself, it doesn't matter. I'm going to take this bottom equation and I'm going to change the order. I'm going to subtract 2x. So I'm subtracting 2x over here. And now this is gone. Y equals 4 minus 2x. Yeah, how about that? Now, when you substitute, you have to rewrite the first equation. So we're going to do that. We're going to rewrite the first equation. And then we're going to substitute or plug in that thing that we just found. So then we plug it in. That's it. Plug it in. Step 1, step 2. Yay! I guess step 1 is going to be x plus 2. That's an x times, now I'm just rewriting this first equation here, x plus 2 times y, except I know that y is really this guy right here, so I'm going to write 4 minus 2x, right? Yay! And so I didn't finish my sentence. X plus 2y equals negative 1. So I have to do this side here. So I'm going to do equals negative 1. Now I have to distribute. So 2 times 4 is 8. And then minus 2 equals negative 1. Now I want to solve it, so I subtract 8. Whoops. So I subtract 8. So that means I have negative 9 on this side. Did you see me go 2 times 2 is 4? Okay, good. I'm glad you did. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Yeah, I saw that just now. So this is negative 9, because I subtracted this. This is gone, right? So now I have x plus negative 4x equals negative 9, right? Well, what is that? X plus negative 4, that's negative 3x. Lo and behold, I can divide negative 9 divided by negative 3. That's what x is, right? That equals x. But I know negative divided by negative is positive, so x is 3. Yay! Are we done? No. We have to find x and y, right? X and y. So I have to plug it back in. But look, I've got an equation right here that makes it easy smeezy to plug in. Look right here. I've got this equation right here. The second equation says what y equals. That's what I want to know. Isn't that what I want to know? I want to know what y equals. So I want to know if it tells me right there, that y equals 4 minus 2 times x. Well, I know what x is. Yay! Look right there. X is 3. So all I have to do is plug 3 into my problem and then solve it. What's that? 4 minus 6. Well, that's pretty easy. Y equals negative 2. Yay! So, remember, the answer is the ordered pair. Whoops, keep zooming. The answer is the ordered pair, so the answer is 3, 2. That's what we want. The place where the 2 lines cross is 3, 2. Yay! So, that's substitution. You've done it before, I know. I'll do another one just so you know. So remember, answers can be fractions, they could be decimals, they can be positives, they can be negatives. And then some questions don't have answers, right? If they're parallel lines, there ain't gonna be no answer. No sirree, Bob. Ain't gonna be no answer if we got parallel lines. So, let's see. According to our calculations, let's do one like, it don't matter. Well, that's the same as that one, huh? Is there one that's different? Ooh, fractions. We don't want that. Do we? I don't think so. It don't matter. No, never mind. Alright, so we got to choose. Doesn't make any difference. Let's do 13. Lucky number 13. Let's see if we can solve 13. We're solving by substitution just like before. And once again, we want to get y by itself down here on the bottom. One of them, you have to get y by itself. So I can do that. I can subtract 2x from this side. I can subtract 2x from that side. And this goes away. Y equals 5 minus 2x. Well, great. Hallelujah. Now, according to this, I have to rewrite my first equation. So here's my first equation. 4 times x minus 5 times y, right, equals negative 11. Holy smokes. Right? Now, what is y? Do I know what y is? Yes, I do. It's right there. Y is 5 minus 2x. Well, great day in the morning. We can do that. 4x minus 25. And then negative times negative, positive 10x equals negative 11. Okay. Joy, joy, joy. We've got something going on here, right? We know we've got something going on here. What did I just do? I forgot. Oh, yeah. So, I want to combine all the numbers together. What is this? This is 14, right? So I'm going to add 25 to this side and add 25 to this side. This goes away. That's 14. Yay! And this is also 14. 4x plus 10x is 14. I think that one's pretty easy to solve, right? X has to be 1. Yay, we got one of the answers. Remember, we're not done until we have them both, right? So we know 1 comma something. What's the something? Well, I go back up here, right? I know exactly what y equals, so let's do it. Y equals 5 minus 2 times x. Whoops. And I know what x is. X is 1. Right? Y equals 2 times x. And x is 1. Well, that's easy. Y equals 3. Y equals 3. Ta-da! So, the point that we just found was 1 comma 3. So don't worry if your answers come out to be positive or negative. That's okay. Fractions, that's okay. You should be able to do today's homework with no trouble at all. Bye-bye.